iPhone XR Review. Apple has managed a marketing masterstroke with the iPhone XR. Not only has it delayed the launch of the third of its trio of 2018 iPhones, thus creating some mystery around it, it's also managed to make this seem like 2018's cheap iPhone. Yes, it's cheaper compared to the recently launched iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max, but we're talking $749, £749/$12.29, compared with $999, £999/$1,629, which is hardly budget. To the average price-conscious, brand-neutral buyer, this is a long way from a cheap iPhone. See all Apple iPhone XR deals. To the Apple fan who wants to stick with the brand though, the iPhone XR offers a much cheaper way to get a 2018 model without having to pay the sky-high prices of the XS Duo, without sacrificing too much in terms of features and with a cheeky amount more performance than one might expect. While it's impossible to know for certain what Apple is aiming to achieve with the later launch of the iPhone XR, the fact remains that it's already enjoyed the buzz of the new iPhone XS launch, and now has a second bite of the Apple in terms of generating hype around this mystery phone. Well, Apple has either pulled a marketing masterstroke or screwed itself by missing sales from launching late, as the XR is one of the best iPhones we've ever tested. iPhone XR price and release date. The price of the iPhone XR is something that's going to attract buyers, at $749/$749/$12.29 for the 64GB model, $799/$799/$12.99 for 128GB, and $899/$899/$14.79 for the 256GB. It's far more affordable than the iPhone XS. You can now buy the phone around the world as it was released on October 26, 2018, and it's on sale in Apple stores and at your local phone emporium, with few concerns about stock levels. The price has yet to change much, even though the iPhone XR is now around half a year old.